How do you size a soft start for an air conditioner? Whether you've got a 3-ton or a 5-ton residential HVAC system, I'm going to walk you through the process so you know what size soft start you need for your air conditioner so you don't undersize and you don't overspend. I'm also going to show you in today's video where I got these soft starts. You're watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / Homeowners. This is Taddy Digest. I'm Tad. Let's get started. What is a soft start? A soft start is a device that lowers inrush current. It reduces inrush current, that big amount of electricity that's used whenever your compressor kicks on for your air conditioning system. Without this device, you may see your lights dim. You may see your breakers trip, or you may have a generator that struggles. With this device, you have a smoother start. You have less inrush current, you have less stress on your compressor for your air conditioner, and you have more compatibility with a smaller power system. So you can have a smaller generator to be able to start your air conditioning system. To know what size soft start you need for your air conditioner, you have to know what size air conditioner you have. Typical residential sizes range from 1.5 ton, 18,000 BTUs, 2-ton, 24,000 BTUs, 2.5 ton, 30,000 BTUs, 3-ton, 36,000 BTUs, 3.5 ton, 42,000 BTUs, 48,000 BTUs, 4-ton, and then 5-ton, 60,000 BTUs. Let's take a look at the nameplate for this air conditioner, and then let's look at the FLA and the RLA. To know what size air conditioner you have, you want to read the model number. See the model number for this Trane package unit? It says 5YCZ5042. We stop at 42. It's a 42,000 BTU air conditioner. So it's a 3.5 ton or 3.5 ton. Now, there's a few things we need to know. We need to find where it says compressor. That right there says compressor. Then it says RLA, run load amps, 18.2. And then we need the LRA, which is locked rotor amps, 106. So while running, the compressor is going to pull 18.2. And it may pull less than that, it may pull more than that, just depends on conditions. But we're going to base our sizing of our soft start off of the RLA and the LRA. So 18.2 and 106. And typically in the field, I'm going to see this number, you know, it says 18.2. I'm going to see an amp draw on a compressor half that. But really depends on conditions. You know, if it's 95 degrees, we may be really close to that 18.2. If it's pulling over the 18.2, then that's not good. That means there's something wrong. I got 2 of the soft starts from signaturesolar.com. I got the SSH3T, which supports up to 3-ton air conditioners, and I got the SSH6T, which supports up to 6-ton air conditioners. These are made by Soft Start Home, or that's the name, and it's by Soft Start USA. They've got some websites for support that you can go visit so you learn more about installation. But with each soft start, you receive this sheet, which includes instructions so you know what to do as far as wiring. And also there is a spec sheet which we have to look at to know which one to use for each one of these air conditioners that we're about to install these on. Also, it includes an installation kit with some zip ties, some spade connectors, and some screws for mounting the actual soft start inside the air conditioner, because you got it mounted inside. But I've got 2 different air conditioners. I've got a split unit, and I'm going to install the smaller soft start on that unit over there, and then the larger on this unit. Now let's check out the technical specifications. Now that we're looking at the technical specification sheet, we want to look at the maximum continuous working current and the maximum surge current. You can see that the maximum working current of the 3T model is 18 amps. The maximum working current for the 6T model is 42 amps. So that's where we want to compare our RLA. If your unit says that it's 19 amps for its RLA for the compressor, then that means you need to use the 6T. If your RLA is less than 18 amps, then you need to use the 3T. Now, our RLA is 18.2, so I'm going to upgrade to the larger model and choose the 6T for this unit. Now we're looking at the LRA, and for our LRA, it was 106. Now, if we look at the maximum surge current for the 3T, it's 120. So that means that the 3T would definitely be okay, considering the LRA is lower than 120, it's only 106. But the maximum surge current for the 6T model, which is the larger soft start, is 130 amps. LRA is less than 120, it's 106, but RLA is over 18, it's 18.2. So I'm not going to use the 3 for this unit, I'm going to use the 6. And you can see it's 3.5 ton, right? Now let's go look at this other unit. Now let's read this model number. It says YHE36, so it's a 3-ton unit, 36,000 BTUs. We find where it says compressor. We look at the RLA, which is 15.4, and that's less than the 18 for that 3 model for the soft start. And then the LRA, locked rotor amps, is 83.9, so it's less than the 120. So this particular unit, we could use that 3. But for this unit over here, we're gonna have to use the 6 model. Now let me show you where I got these, and I'll post a link down in the description and also a discount you can utilize. If you spend more than $500, you can get $50 off. I went to signaturesolar.com. This page says Soft Start USA. If you scroll down, there's a bunch of products. There's a Soft Start Up 30 amp power adapter. There's a Soft Start Home 6, which is the 6-ton model. There's a Soft Start Home 3, which is the 3-ton model. And then they have a Soft Start RV. So if you've got an RV, they've got a Soft Start for you. If you click on the Soft Start that you think you need, and you scroll down, you can download the spec sheet. So then you can learn more about the installation and the technical specs. If your lights are dimming, your breaker's tripping, your compressor is really noisy on your air conditioner, maybe you've got solar and you're using an inverter to power your home or your air conditioner, go check out signaturesolar.com and use the discount code that I've got down in the description and get you a soft start. That way you can have a smaller generator size to operate that air conditioning system. If you want to see the install video, don't forget to check the link that I put down in the description. Go check out that install so you learn more about how to install one of these soft starts. You've been watching HVAC Tips for Technicians / homeowners. I'm Tad, this was Taddy Digest, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.